Good morning students. In my previous video, I taught you exercise A and B of chapter 2 collective and abstract noun. Today we will start exercise C. So let's start. In exercise C, choose the correct noun from the box and complete each sentences. The first one has been done for you as an example. Here in help box there is some nouns, collective nouns that we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. First is a scores of mosquitoes was seen nearby. A group of mosquitoes called scourge. Second, a smack of jellyfish was spotted by the diver. Collective noun for jellyfish is smack. Third, the company of parrots was seen on the fields. Collective noun for parrot is company. Fourth, the plague of insects filled the entire area. 5. Mrs. Manon booked a suite in the hotel for her family. 6. A pair of gloves was bought from the Pacific Mall. 7. A set of tennis balls cost quite a lot. 8. A mob of uncivilized people entered the porch of the landlord's house. 9. A gang of robbers had been held for robbery. 10. Arvind's collection of coins won everyone's praise. Exercise A, B and C is your about collective noun. Now exercise D, that is related to an abstract noun. As I told you in my previous video, an abstract noun is the name of some quality, state or action considered or imagined to be apart from the thing to which it belongs. You cannot see or touch but can only think of. Abstract noun is a behavior or quality, state or action. Okay. Now come to exercise D. The behavior of some people has been given below. Read about the following people and write the quality that they show. Their qualities are given in the box below. The first one has been done for you as an example. These are the qualities or behavior of some people. We have to fill these behavior or quality in these blanks. Okay, these are related to these sentences. So let's start sentence 1. Mohit's mother is very worried for her son's future because she is in anxiety. Second, Raz is a gifted singer, yet he never shows off. Never shows off, it means Raz has humility. Third, Rita is very clever in handling people. She has an quality of cleverness. Fourth, the villains shown in the movies are most cruel because they have the quality of cruelty. 5. Solomon was a very wise king. Wise king, it means it has the quality of wisdom, known for giving sound judgment, because he has the quality of wisdom. 6. Miss India contest judges physical attraction along with present demeanor, that is beauty. 7. The students of Mrs. Mehra's class always obey her obedience. Means the quality of students were obedience, because they were obedience. 8. Peter is never offended. He always replies and talks in a very pleasant manner. The quality of Peter is politeness. 9. The Indian Ocean is very deep. Quality of Indian Ocean, depth, deep depth. 10. In Delhi, women are not considered safety. The government must ensure to protect them safety. 11. Ever since John has become a model, he has become very proud. Pride. 12. Male wrestlers look very strong. Strength. And it is this quality that helps them to win a bout. The quality of wrestlers, strength. 13. A teacher teaching primary classes has to be very patient. Patience. The quality of teaching primary classes, teachers, patience. 14. Amit is most hardworking and tops in his class. He is known to be brilliant. Quality of Amit, brilliance. Let's come to sentence 15. Preeti is a very cheerful girl who is always smiling. Quality of Preeti, happiness. Geeta is very pessimistic and she always remains sad. The quality of Geeta is sadness. 17. We shouldn't be greedy and should donate and be kind to the needy. Generosity. 18. We should not harm stray and helpless animals. We should protect them. Protection. A slave wants to be free at all costs. Freedom. 20. The guilty should always be punished. Punishment. Okay class, fill your books. Fill your book exercise C and D. Okay class, thank you.